Okay, in this tutorial here, we're going to keep on improving on the table what we did previously, the one we called second. So again, remember you have to open up two ways. One, open up as a browser, as we did last session, and two, open up with Notepad. And there we go, that's the code in Notepad. That's what it looks like in the browser, same file, but seen differently. Okay, what we're going to do here is we're going to add more to our table. We've only got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 columns, or 5 data entries, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we got 2 rows, table rows 1, table rows 2. In order to do the timetable, I need a lot more rows in there, so I'm going to add another row. Okay, just indent to help us with the reading of it. Not so much it helps the computer, but it helps us clearly edit things. So let's look at table down, and this time I might add that I've got some maybe some maths. So I might have some maths happening in that lesson. Okay, and then switch on the table data. Okay, more data. Actually, what I want to do is just replicate that a couple of times. Control C, go down here. Control V. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I just might tidy up the indentation and something a little bit neater. Now, what this does is hopefully gives us a template to add the other sessions. And again, that's in that row. So I need to indicate to the computer or the browser that we've actually finished with that row. So table row finished. Now what I'm going to do is just change the middle bits. I might have maths on Monday, maybe have a science care on that day there. Let's put science. Then I might have, say, English. Okay, and here I might have some art, and here some PE. You put down your correct timetable. I'll just put some here as an example. That's what we've done. If I do a file save, go to my browser and refresh, and yep, looks like it's lining up. Now what I might do is I might have a double session, so just make it easy. I'm just going to copy that, Control C, get down the line, Control V, and I'll have a double session of that. Let's save this, file save, across here, and yep, I've got double maths, double science. Okay, then at which point we might have a recess break. So what I might do is go down here, and I must type in there recess, so recess time. Okay, I suppose I can replicate it, I'm not sure it's faster. So typing faster, maybe it is. Okay, so that's done. Now we'll go and let's check it out. And my table's growing. Okay, so we'll go down, we've got file, save, go across here, refresh, and recess is happening. Okay, I might have some other subjects next. Right, some more subjects. I might have this time, well, let's look. I might decide to have science then on a Monday. So science comes up, and actually, what I might do is move them across. See what happens. The maths, say, on a Friday. Okay, maths, just for ease of exercise. Okay, and let's just see what it looks like. File save, refresh, and after recess, got science, maths, yeah, different subjects. And it might be a double as well, just made it easy. So, double that. Control C, go across here. Control V, and that should give me a double session as well. There you go, refresh. Yep, looking good. And then just moving down. Might have a lunch break now. Okay, what will I do? Just copy all this. just break. Control C, put it in there. Control V, and change it to lunch. Okay. And so I'm going to copy it, just type it in. Just type it in. Okay, go across here. Maybe a few more to go. One more to go. My time total's nearly finished. Let's check it out. File save. Go across here, and things are looking good. Okay, so I want to get another set of subjects. What I might do just for the exercise is rotate it around again. I might get rid of that sites there and put the sites to the bottom here. Table data sites and oops, and now end my table data, and that should give me my 5 columns. I'm going to double that. So let's see, move across, Control V, and my table should be finished. My time table should be finished. Okay, this is what my time table looks like. Okay, so got it all happening here. Okay, a few little things to tidy it up. What I might do is I want to center the table, so we can add a center tag. Now, center has to be spelled the American way, E-R, not R-E, as in the Australian way. And when you got a center on at the end of the table, I want the center off. Split the American way again, E-R. Okay, that should give me some centering of the table. Save, and let's have a look. The table's now centered. Actually, what I might do is center the titles too, actually. So I get my title up here, center those two, I'll center the whole lot. And going down, and center off. Okay, and there we go, that happening. Should have my title centered as well, and it's starting to look a little bit more better than what it was before. Okay, we'll leave it there.